All right, I'm gonna make a really fast kind of upcycle design. I have this shirt and this shirt. They look a lot alike because they're the same shirt. I mean, not the exact same shirt. It is two different shirts, but they're the same style. So I'm gonna kind of cut them apart and sew them back together with some different color top stitching. That's really all I have to say. So I'm gonna put the shirt on and kind of figure out where I want the first line to do, and then I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna put the shirt on, figure out where I want the first line to be, and then I'm just gonna start cutting it and sewing it back together. This is the shirt on. I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it as a dress. I'm just gonna start kind of cutting and putting it back together, and just as I get down there, we'll see how long I make it. I think right here in the mirror, I want right here to be my first cut. So I'm gonna mark it. I don't know where my pins are. All right, I'm gonna mark it right here. I totally just stabbed myself. All right, I'm gonna mark it right here, and then we're gonna bring it over to the cutting table and just cut a straight line. I don't know if you can really see it. This is where the first seam is. I think I'm just going to go about this measurement. It's right here. All right. Let's cut it. 1, 2, 3 done. I'm for sure gonna go ahead and do at least 2 more, and then we'll see how long it is. Alright, I think that's good for the length. I am going to sew, if it's the right length, sew the hem back on so that I don't have to hem it again. But alright, I'm going to sew the hem back on in the last little chunk, and then I'm going to show you how I top stitch it. Okay, so I did double needle. I did the thread in white, and I went all the way around and did all of that with the camera facing it so that you could see it, but then didn't hit record. I hit stop instead. Oops. But anyway, here's the detail. I laid the seam allowance out flat and then just kind of stitched so that it would go up and down on the dress. All right. Here it is, all done. I think it took me maybe an hour to make the whole thing. Actually, probably less than, because I did take a break to go snack on stuff, but here's the detail. The more I wear it, the more this will kind of, the end of the knit fabric will roll and kind of look more like a lace. Yay! I really, really love it when I can make something from start to finish in less than an hour. So yes, I like it. I will wear it. But I also like, that's a word. But I also like how fast I made it, so yay.